denotes a relationship between the circle's circumference and its diameter and is denoted by the fraction 22/7. That's the reason we are celebrating this auspicious occasion on the 22nd day of the 7th month. I am Akilan, President of Mathlets Club, takes immense pleasure in welcoming you all to this program. I welcome our correspondent, Thiru P. Venkatesh Raja sir, our director, Dr. Sai Satyavati ma'am, our principal, Dr. Malathi Selvakumar ma'am, head of the Department of Mathematics, Dr. G. Ambika ma'am, and our chief guest, Dr. A. Meenakshi ma'am, professor in Vailtech Rangarajan, Dr. Shahuntala R&D, Institute of Science and Technology. I welcome everyone present here on behalf of the Department of Mathematics and Mathlets Club. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. I request you all to rise for the Tamil Thai Varthu.
மடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் மதனமென நிகழ்வரத கண்டனிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Now, I call upon the head of the Department of Mathematics, Dr. G. Ambika ma'am, to give the chief guest introduction.
Very good afternoon, one and all present here. Happy to see you all here. It's my very great pressure moment to welcome our chief guest and also the students, those who are participated and being the audience. Yes, it's my special welcome to our chief guest, Dr. A. Meenakshi, Professor, Department of Mathematics, Vailtech Rangarajan, Shakuntala R&D Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. I would like to say a few words about her, ma'am. She completed her UG and PG Mathematics at SFR College, Sivagasi, and completed her PhD from Anna University. More than 24 years of experience in teaching, research. An area of research is here, graph theory, domination, labeling, chemical graph theory, fuzzy graph. And she has totally published 42 research papers in Science Indexed and Scopus Indexed journals and published 3 books and reviewers in Science Indexed, Scopus Indexed journal. At present, she is guiding 6 research scholars at Vailtech University. Welcome you, ma'am. Happy to be here. Welcome you. I'm just handing over the session to the ma'am to continue the stuff.
Now, I request Dr. Ambika ma'am to felicitate our honorable chief guest. Now, I hand over the session to Dr. Meenakshi ma'am. We welcome you, ma'am.
Madam, எவ்வளோ நேரம் எடுக்கலாம்? 145. 30 minutes. Good morning, students. Yes, I am very much happy today. So I am very much pleasure to thank this ACA College management and principal and HOD of Mathematics, Dr. Ambika. And I am very much be pleasure to see all the students and my dear faculty members. This is a very much occasion for me. That is Dr. Ambika is my close friend, and I'm very happy today be here as a mathematician. As a part of by approximation day, I'm going to give a small delivery here. When I look at what is the work you have been done, that you people very much familiar about pi approximation day. So I am thinking over what I am going to give it to you. Again, I am grinding the same flow for you. You see, everybody, there is when I am seeing the chart papers, what you presented, very nice presentation. Okay, so whatever the concept, whatever the competition you will be here, you have to show your talent very much. Okay, that you did. So that is now we will be seeing myself as Meenakshi. My native is there is Madurai. I did my UG PG from SFR College Sivakasi, and I completed my PhD from Anna University. I am very much interested to do research. Till now I am working under research. I am guiding six PhD students. I am a supervisor in Vailtech University. So today, as a part of a mathematician, I will be very proud to say this. So today we are going to celebrate pi approximation day. You know what's the reason then? So anybody explained. Okay, so today falls on 22, that is 22nd day of July. So that pi approximation day falls today because of that reason 22 divided by 7. Okay, which is approximated to 3.14. Okay. Can you move the slide, please? So what is pi? So pi is an irrational number. So pi is an irrational number, and this we cannot express in terms of ratio of integers. So that's why it's called irrational number. We can define its relation between, when we take the circle circumference, when we relate the ratio between circumference and diameter. So that is the definition for the that is pi. Okay, basic explanation I given there. Next, can I move? Next, it's a fixed value. Pi value is fixed here, 3.14, but it is approximated value only. Okay, so next one please. So it is endless value. So pi is endless value. So what is the psychological, that is a concept behind in that? You don't give up anything. Whatever the good things, whatever the ambition you have, don't give up everything. Don't give up anything. That's the meaning of pi. Okay, it is the endless value. So 3.14, it's moving. Okay, so next slide please. So previous one please. So this is the first, so everybody did, they started, you people started with the 16th century. Actually, this pi is created in the 2nd century itself. Okay, 2nd century BC, before the Christ. Okay, before the Christ, we used that common era, that is a calendar. In that only that pi has been used. So actually, when we look into that open source in the Google and all, we cannot get what is the story behind that. Actually, I heard that when my school, so that chariot, okay, that in the chariot, when we make the wheel in the chariot, so what is the amount of weight it will be carry over that chariot? According to that, we have to frame the wheel of the chariot. Okay, so it should be based on the circumference and the diameter. Okay, that's the meaning that. So diameter, we can say the radius also. So for what's the amount of weight it will be carry over according to. Okay, so in the Asian peoples, they think that everything have it in our mind. They have to bring one wheel. They have to develop the wheel. When they developed the wheel, they got the idea. And in that wheel also, they look into that. So when we move the wheel, what happened? When we move the wheel, so the lower part is coming to up, upper part coming down. So from that, what you understand, psychological meaning that in our lives, up and downs are there. Sorrows and happiness moving from one situation to another situation. So everybody, we cannot say that everybody, I enjoyed every day. We cannot. Is it? Whatever it's so. 2 days we will be happy, next day it will be something maybe happen. So we will be faced to everything to face. Okay, that is the thing is that is a thing I am observing from that. So they also observed from the ancients. So one of the mathematician Archimedes only found pi. Okay, it happened which year? 2nd century. It is in the 3rd century. Okay, after 2nd century, 3rd century. That one I denoted as BCE. This is a before Christ course era. That's a meaning that. So that is a thing is that. So how he described this one. What I said now, I said the story about chariot. Okay. So using that only he framed. Next, please, next one. So this is the polygon. You know what does mean by polygon? Okay, he developed the work of pi further using this one, inscribed and circumscribed polygons. Maybe that is 7 or 12 or 6, 24, 48, 96, it's moving. Okay, from this only he approximate the value. Next one, please. So next it's Chinese. So throughout the world they are looking into that pi. Okay, so he is a Greek mathematician. Next, Chinese, what they did is in the 5th century. Okay, after that Archimedes, they developed. So Archimedes, when Archimedes started the work, he is expressing as that the value is 3.14. But after that, what they not at all approximating, they developed the value of pi. So that is a value what they written here. So they calculated pi to be 3.14 to 3.14, and then after that the 6 to 7 digits they found, and they are giving the value of pi. Refinement done by every period. So starting from the 3rd century, so refinement done in every period with every proof. So next one, please. So these are the Indian contributions. Okay, if the famous Indian mathematicians, many are there. So he is Aryabhatta. So Aryabhatta, you know, the Archimedes and Aryabhatta are the father of the mathematics. Okay, so Aryabhatta played many role. How you frame the wheel. So what is the circumference of the circle? So he gave one formula. So that is a formula I written here. He belongs to the 5th century. So he take 100, you have to add 100. Along with the 100, you have to add 4 and multiply by 8. Then you have to add 62,000. So this gives the circumference of the circle with the diameter 20,000. So through this simple calculation, he approximates the value pi. Okay, so this is the next revolution of pi. So he expressed, in the ancient days, they expressed pi is approximated to, so what they given numerator as well as denominator. This is Aryabhatta of this year. Next one, please. So I look at to that 1 or 2 persons. You people missed that history, earlier history, and the series, many series are there. Okay, so many series in terms of pi is there. 1 or 2 people written. I am so happy. So this is Madhav series. This is one that is pi by 4 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7. So this he found this infinite series. Okay, pi by 4 is approximated through this that is endless series. Okay, plus etc. That one. Next one, please. Medieval Islamic mathematics also they approximated. This also next refinement. Next one. So both geometrical meaning. Okay, that astronomical meaning also they are using the distance between sun and earth. Okay, they are using that one. And then in the 15th century, please. In the 15th year, this is a very much important year. So you people started from this one only. So resonance and early modern day, what happened? This pi is developed in terms of 35 decimal places. Okay, this is the number that is Rudolph number that is in the 16th century. Then John Williams is expressed the infinite product of pi. Next one. So analytical means, wherever we have circle is there. You people explain beautifully. The same thing I am also having. So Babylons. So this also in the year 16th century. Okay, so Babylons and the Egyptians, they approximated that pi. But what happened? The error is there. So 0.5 to 8% error is there. When they will be when we will know about that this error is there means after calculating the correct value of pi we can. Okay. So and the Egyptians also this 0.04% of error high that of the value. Please next one. Yes, this is the same thing. Next one, please. Yes, this is the important thing. He belongs to Tamil Nadu. He worked tremendous work. Only he that's lived only for 33 years. But tremendous work he done. He is born in Tamil Nadu, that Kumbakonam. Okay, everybody heard about. Okay, we admired what in the earlier day he started every work in the slate only. In the slate, in school days we had. But you people not having, only started with the pen and paper. But in the slide is there, in that slide everything what he written. If he started now with means that is a standard result only he did. Okay, so that is a tremendous work. So this is I am look at here. So first one Yajurvedam, that value is 3. Next Aryabhatta, Madhava, then Ramanujam only that approximated this one, and he do more series, infinite series in terms of pi. That's the thing is there. Next one. So that is an infinite series. What I written in that one. So Leopold Euler, he is the giving symbol. Okay, pi. Next one. So pi in the 18th century that Ramanujam only started. So after that tremendous changes then. After that only they understood that pi is endless value. Next one. In 19th century they analysis. So wherever we have a circle, wherever we have a pi, sine pi, okay, and the construction of you people, everybody tell about the dooms. So everything, whatever it is, that cylindrical cone part. So wherever we used mathematical structures, it will be based on pi only. So you know the formula for volume of the sphere, volume of the cylinder. So everything wherever we have a pi, that will be coming under the applications. Okay, in trigonometry, sine pi, cos pi. So in the periodic function, sine pi, cos pi. Okay, its value upper and lower bound -1 + 1. So next one. So algorithm, in algorithm, if infinite series there for computer people, you can approximate the values whatever given in terms of pi. That is a series. Using that infinite series only, you can frame the algorithm. The algorithm also they did in the 19th century. Next one. Yes, same thing. And then pi. So based on the mathematics application will be applicable in physics. Many physics applications applicable in mathematics. So the applications in physics also important here. And then this is a ordinate differential equation. In the ordinate differential equation, if we measure the length, if we have the that is one steel box is of length 0 to pi. So how to it will expand. Okay, this is the application of the ordinate differential equation. In that theory also that pi is played important role. So mathematical challenges are there. Many mathematical challenges are there. If we frame any mathematical basic figures using that pi, it will be the challenging that to us towards now. Even though nowadays that NASA face many problems. You know about that is Sunita Williams. He is in, where is he now? In space. What happened? So they are having many problems to come back here. So they are facing the problem. So using mathematical way, they are thinking over how to resolve the problem, what happened in the orbit. Okay. So next one. So approximation, I said that this everything what I written, Leibniz, John McCain, everybody, they invent that pi in terms of the infinite series. They use the algorithm. So convergence of series. What is the meaning of convergence of series? What is the meaning of convergence of series? So when that is, I will tell you, you people not belongs to mathematics, I will tell to you. So when you, that is, nowadays, what is a hot topic today? What not today? Nowadays, what is a hot topic? About Sunita Williams only. So I want to know who is Sunita Williams, or what is the history of Sunita Williams, what he is doing in space, everything. If I want to type it in the Google, what happened? Same time, many of the people tried, what happened? Did you get the results, what you are typing? Sometimes you get, sometimes not get. Is it? So if many of the people's doing the same work on the same time, same minute, what happened? Somebody get the answer, somebody not get the answer. So who will be, that is applied the value, who will give the input first, you will be getting us first. Somebody not get. So some traffic jam happened in the internet. Okay, so those who got, the meaning is that you will be getting convergent, you will be getting the answer. Those who not get, I am not telling about, I can take it about, it's not convergent. Like that is a convergent series. That is, for your understanding, I can say that pi is equal to, that is a Madhav series. Pi is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7, so alternate series plus etc. Okay, that pi is approximated to, if he proved 3.14 means that is a success. If it is not tends to 3.14 means it is not convergent. That's the meaning is there. So next one please. This one, next one, Mackin's formula. Previous one please. Mackin's formula, that is 5 by 4. That is arc turn. Arc turn means tan inverse of x. So we know if you are mathematics students, you people very much know about what is the formula for that sin x formula. Sin x formula, cos x formula. So sin pi value is -1. We can represent in terms of the infinite series. Okay. So that Mackin's formula is pi by 4 in terms of the tan inverse of formula. So next one please. So many formulas found like that. Euler's formula, Hermann's formula, Gutton's formula. Next one please. This is there is algorithms. Gauss-Legendre algorithm is an iterative method. Its iterative method is used in numerical methods. So numerical method is a subject. We can solve any problem using calculator. Okay, if you want to do the calculation, integration, differentiation, Okay, whatever it's, so if we want to do using that, only calculator formula we can't do. That is a numerical methods. Okay, in that method also, if the values involving, if the interval period is 0 to pi is there are also that algorithms, many algorithms are there, many formulas are there. Based on the formulas, algorithm has been framed. Next one, please. So, algorithm, we have algorithms approximating that pi. Please, next one. There is Monte Carlo. He is a statistical approximation. Statistical approximation means only values, based on the values we have to find out, and then we can analyze, so which method is applicable to fit our optimum solution. That is a statistical. Next one. Geometry. Geometry we explained already, because this is a basic one, geometry. So next one. Pi and geometry, I have given many formulas. You people know about that. Next one. This one, volume we discussed. Here, this is a trigonometry formula, that pi where you used. So look at the circle. Look at the circle. Here they marked 0 and then pi by 2 and then degree. That is 90 degree, pi 180 degree, and then 270 degree, 360 degree. So I marked that wherever we have that 0 line, 0 degree line, pi by 2 line, so 0 to pi by 2 first quadrant, so 0 to 180 second quadrant, that and all you know. Now that value 1, 0, so that 1, 0, how you get 1, 0? This is nothing but cos theta, sin theta. That ordered pair you can take it as cos theta, sin theta. Okay, I will be assuming this is a unit circle. So for that unit circle, the parametric equations are cos theta, sin theta. So instead of x, apply cos theta. Instead of y, apply sin theta. So I will be getting the value. So that's why I marked, look at the points, how I marked, that is cos theta, sin theta. Just you apply the value, wherever we have pi by 6. So cos pi by 6, sin pi by 6, you will be getting the value, this every value. Okay. So next, this one only I explain. Next one. So calculus means that is the same again, that figures which is based on this circle. Circle, that is a calculus, that is in the differentiation we will be having. Next one. Applications. So applications, when we talk about the pi application, tremendous applications are there. Pi is involved in everything. We cannot that omit where is not there. Okay, GP, many of them explain, many practical way you people explain. Okay, so next one. So cosmology, so art and culture. Next one. Pi approximated day, you know what's the meaning that? Pi approximation day. Next one. I hope this is there. So everything I have taken from the book. This one, I hope this is helpful to you. So the message for you, as a Indian, we have to do something to the society. Okay, be helpful, be inventful. So whatever your every day, every importance of the day, we have to look into that. We have to develop something. We have to do something to the society. As a that is young students. So your everything, your action, your social movements only based on the. So your social movements only need for the good society. So all the best to you. Any queries, please you may ask. If you have any doubt, you may ask. Thank you to all.
Poster presentation பத்தி எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னு நார்மலா
See, poster presentation. So very nice to see you. So whenever do the work, this is only suggestion. I observed, I am suggesting you. You have to do the thorough knowledge from top to bottom. Okay, many of them focused application. Very nice, I am showing many of them did more time you spend in that. Okay, so introduction. First you have to give the introduction. Okay, what I am observing, just I am telling. So introduction, from ancient days, how it has developed to till date, what is the application. Okay, how to move like that. So many of them did well. very well, but one or two things you missed. First, whatever we are learning, first from our state, what happened? From our state, who is the participant? Who from our state, who gave the revelation? Okay, so like Ramanujam, I asked many of the people, that is, he involved Pi. So he is the only one person. He is an admired person. So belongs to Tamil Nadu. Okay, that many of them said, but some of them don't know about that. So please, you have to think over whatever it's so, whatever the content you are taking, we have to check whether who is the scientist, who is the mathematician, belongs to our Tamil Nadu, our city. First you understand that one. Okay, so I'm happy to see you. So all the best students, all the best to all. Thank you. BSc CS with the AI, Rohit and Lokesh team. All the best to all students. All the best for the I congratulate the participants also. Okay. Thank you to all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon Ms. Subhashini, Club Executive, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Subhashini, the Club Executive of Mathematics Club, standing here today as a proud and grateful club member to express my heartfelt thanks to those all who made this event possible. I would like to start by thanking our college management who have always been supportive for our initiations and encouraged us to strive for excellence. I would like to express my appreciation to our chief guest, Dr. A. Meenakshi ma'am, who has taken time out of a busy schedule to grace this occasion with her presence. Your presence has added an extra spark to this event and made it more special. Thank you, ma'am. I thank our Viscom department for the technical support, and I would like to thank Vishal for technical work and Shakti and Deepika for hospitality committee, and thank the volunteer members Subhashri, Sanjay, Mithul, Kumaran, Saravanan, Ajay, Sindhu, Preeti who helped for the success of the event. I appreciate every participants for their hard work, for their friends and support. Your contribution have not gone unnoticed, and I'm grateful for that all and all that you have done. Thank you.
The power of the national anthem unite us and fill our heart with love for our country. I request you all to rise for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Students